If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. One way to export data within Sage 50 Accounting is to export a CSV file or comma-separated value file that can be opened in Excel or one of many other spreadsheet-style programs compatible with CSV files. To export data as a CSV file from Sage 50 Accounting, select File, select Import Export from the menu bar to open the Select Import Export window. Then select the file to export in this window and click the Export button. After clicking the Export button, you can use the Filter and Fields tabs to select the Export Files options. On the Options tab, click the gray arrow button in the upper left corner to specify a name and location for the export file. To create this export file as a template for an import file, then leave the file name as whatever Sage 50 makes it. In the Export Options section, select or deselect options as necessary to create the data file as you want it. When finished, click OK. After exporting the file, Sage 50 returns to the Select Import Export window and doesn't show the file. To see it, you must open it on your own. After exporting the file as a CSV file, you may want to inspect the file, as an exported file can make a great template for an import file for that same list if needed. However, before attempting to import data into your company file, you should understand and have experience with data transfer, as it is complicated and can cause your company file to become corrupted if not done properly. To import a CSV file, you must open the Select Import Export window. Then select the type of file to import and click the Import button. The Fields tab then appears where you can select the fields to import. Make sure your selections here match the fields within the import file, or your data may become corrupted when you attempt to import the file. Then, on the Options tab, click the gray arrow button in the upper left corner to select the correct file location. Then, if the import file contains a row for the column headings, select the First Row Contains Headings checkbox in the Import Options section of this tab. When you are ready to import the data, click OK. You are then notified you should create a backup before attempting to import data. To create a backup, click No when Sage 50 asks if you want to continue. Then create your backup and repeat the steps you just took to import the file. If you do not want to create a backup first, simply click Yes to continue. Sage 50 then imports the data within the selected CSV file. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.